So the official records are includes the different plannings, policies and decisions and agreement, etc. Then letters and memos also another type of the sources to know about the colonial period. The different letters which was written by the British officers and Indian leaders or Indian rulers. For example, Mahatma Gandhi written the many letters to the British officers. Okay. Then different survey records are there. Survey, what is survey? Survey is to get idea about they will conduct the exploration or the information collection or data collection. So the Britishers felt that it is very important to conduct the survey for an effective administration. They were conducted the different form of surveys. One was revenue survey. As a part of the revenue survey, they were identify the topography of India, soil quality, cultivable land and non-cultivable land. Then second type of the survey is zoological survey. Through the survey, they identify the different species and animals of our country. Then botanical survey is to know about the plants and trees of country. Then archaeological surveys to identify the historical artifacts. Then anthropological surveys about different ethnic groups of India. Then forest surveys to know about the types of the forest. So the mainly we can say that during the to know about the colonial period, we have the mainly which type of sources, the sources which are literary sources or documents. Okay, the mainly which are the literary sources are available to study about the colonial period. So the archives are very important because to preserve or to conserve such documents, the archives are very important. So archives are the places to preserve the printed and written documents. So the British officers constructed or attached the record rooms to keep these documents and records. They were attached record rooms with every institutions like village officers, collectorate, commissioner's office, provincial secretariat, and law courts. British had set up National Archives at New Delhi in their 1920. In their 1920, they were established or set up a National Archives in their 1920 at New Delhi. Then what official records do not tell? Okay, let me when we referring to official records, what do we get idea? The official records only gives information about the great personalities, rulers, etc. It completely neglect or avoid the life of the common people. That is why the official records are gives only the history of the ruling people. So to get idea about the life of the common people, we should refer the following documents such as diaries of the people, then accounts of the pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies, popular books, newspapers, ideas of the reformers, literary sources like or novel, story, poem, etc. Such different common popular works should want to refer to get idea about the life of the common people. Okay, that's all about our this chapter. Up to this, by this class, our history first chapter is over. On the next class onwards, we will start geography, first chapter. Okay, now we can stop. Thank you for all. Good morning.